All right, you two plant-loving people. Time for a quick video. Next month, the 15th, marks the 1-year anniversary of my first plant video on YouTube. The day prior to that marks the beginning of the final series of Game of Thrones, so it's going to be a very big weekend for me. But I thought I would kick off that 1-year anniversary by not only sharing my plants in the video, but I thought it would be fun to have a little bit of a plant giveaway where I can share some of my plants in reality as well. I thought I would spend the next month propagating up a few cuttings rooted that I would include in the giveaway, along with maybe some small plants that I can find easily in the local tropical area that might not be so readily available in different parts of the United States. So here's how it's going to go. If you like this video and leave a comment below, I will enroll you in the contest. It'll be a blind drawing, and the winner will get the plants as I described. I might make a video as we get closer to the day to clarify exactly what the plants will be, but I imagine it'll be 5 or 6 rooted cuttings plus 1 or 2 exciting local plants. So anyway, I hope this goes well. It's exciting for me, and I think it'll be fun. And I look forward to seeing what responses y'all have. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day and a good night. Cheers.